Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Kindred Souls of Brooklyn. And tonight, folks, going to try P.F. Chang for the first time. P.F. Chang's been out for a really long time. I'm used to the great $10 Chinese meals on, in Brooklyn, where you go in and get the soda and the egg roll and the soup and the chicken and broccoli. But this smells really great, and it's actually incorporated from Paul Fleming, P.F. and Philip Chang. That's how they get the name. It smells wonderful. We're here in Sarasota, so join us for the first time ever. We're trying P.F. Chang. So it's very elegant as you come up. This one is right near St. Armand Circle, right outside of it, right across the John Ringling Bridge, if you're familiar with Sarasota. And you can see it's very beautiful. They got the big horses outside. I'll show you that when we get closer. Look at that, it's very nice. And as I say, if you go along here, right past here is the John Ringling Bridge, and then you go right over into St. Armand's. So really elegant. Well, look at the inside. Well, very nice. We'll see if it's more sizzle or more steak. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at this. Hi. First time ever at P.F. Chang's.
Oh.
How you doing?
Doing good.
What's the specialty? What should we get here?
What is it? Kung Pao chicken.
Oh, I like that. How's the chicken and broccoli?
Pretty good.
All right. So here with Carrie, of course, Jackie and Gary, and Eddie, the service dog, of course, our foundation service dog. So as you can see, the place is very elegant inside, and the menus are touch free. So in other words, you scan it with your iPhone, and you get the whole menu on your phone. So it's contactless ordering, but very pretty, as you can see. I love red and black are my favorite colors. I really love how that's done here.
Too much ginger.
So what's nice is you get chopsticks as well as a fork. And I got a nice little fortune here. Your travels in the coming years will bring serendipity.
Come on, Gary, we should know how to do
Sounds good. Say hi, everybody, for the video. This is our last night for Gary and Jackie. We're gonna miss them so much. We enjoyed having them here visiting with us. And Eddie, of course. We're going out with a bang.
And Jackie's good at teaching it because
Carrie's gonna try to do chopsticks.
You do your middle finger on the second one. So the second one's going to be between your middle finger and your ring finger. So, see, I have no clue. So, like this. So this finger is on top. Which one? And this one stays there. And then this one will be here. This one will be right between here.
There you go. So if you didn't know how to use chopsticks before, I hope you know how to use them now. Jackie's trying to instruct Carrie. Good luck. She's going to need, just give Carrie the fork now. It'll be much easier. You got it?
The front one is the one that controls. Come on, I'm part Filipino.
The lobsters are attacking.
Exactly. You're more Filipino than me.
See?
You know?
So this finger is the one that controls. We're just gonna like flip it. So like this. Like that. Just press it.
So we got a challenge. Carrie's going to try the chopsticks, see what she can do. What do you
I
think?
have to pick up a shrimp. So we're gonna see.
All right.
Hi, Louis and Gina.
But check it out. You ever have a birthday at P.F. Chang's? Look what they bring you. It's a light up, like a sparkler flame or something. Look at that. Here we go. Carrie's starting off with the soup. See if she can grab a piece of chicken or a wonton.
That's going to be the hardest thing to grab with that.
Almost had.
That's going to be the toughest thing. You want to...
No. Okay.
All right, she'll try again for the main. So I started off with the wonton soup, piping hot. You got really attractive looking soup. Nice little bowl and spoon. And here we go. It's really good. So Gary just made an interesting observation about the menu at P.F. Chang's.
Yeah, so I looked over the beers because I figured if they had like a good Chinese beer, maybe I would get the beer. Like if they had like Qingdao or Macau or something like that, or, but they don't have any Chinese beers at P.F. Chang's. They have Japanese beers.
Very strange.
Asahi and Sapporo. Not
That's odd.
not no Chinese beers.
It's
At a
a-
Chinese restaurant.
It's a mystery.
Yeah.
I don't know. All right, thanks, Gary.
Yep.
So there we have it. I got chicken and broccoli, and we got fried rice in there. There's some extra gravy there, dipping purposes. So Carrie, you got the shrimp. But what's it called? Buttered shrimp or something?
Honey shrimp.
Honey shrimp. And here we go. She's gonna.
Hey!
You got it. So you got to get it to your mouth first. Wow, success! Yay, you did it. She's more happy with the chicken than the successful chopstick lesson. You're a good teacher, Jackie. Good job. And Gary got Mongolian beef,
Yeah, it's very
and
good.
really good. What'd you get, Jackie, again?
Yeah, this is the shrimp with lobster sauce.
Oh, nice. Okay. I don't eat shrimp,
Gotta
but
try the honey. This is good.
she's trying the honey. All right, back to the dinner here. So, what do you think, dear? What's your rating of P.F. Chang's? And
This was one of the best shrimps I've had at P.F. Chang's. The crispy honey shrimp, really good. Who was ever out there, you have to get it.
okay. And what about you, Jackie? What do you think?
Well, I tasted hers and I also thought it was pretty amazing. I also liked my shrimp with lobster sauce, but if I have to vote, hers wins.
Okay. And Gary got the Mongolian
I
beef,
got
of
the
course.
Mongolian beef. I was very pleased with it. It is a lot of food, very filling, and I would get it again.
Awesome. There's our way to Travis. How you doing, Travis? All right. So my review of P.F. Chang's, I really liked it a lot. Love the ambiance. The chicken and broccoli was really good. I love the chicken. The broccoli wasn't cooked. I could have sent it back. I didn't. I guess, I'm used to that New York style $10 thing, whatever. But the broccoli was probably better for you because the minerals are still in it and stuff. But I really liked the place. I really enjoyed it. For those of you who watch my channel, it is a Coca-Cola place. I didn't mention that before, but I guess with the red and the black, I guess it was kind of obvious it would be a Coke place, right? But I really enjoyed it. It was a great time. I would highly recommend it. It's a little on the pricey side. I mean, not crazy pricey, but like it's good. I mean, they also own Pee-wee, which is owned by P.F. Chang. So probably if you go to Pee-wee, it's a little cheaper and not as fancy and stuff, but it was really a great time, and it's a wonderful place to bring the family. This was our first time ever coming here, and it's right near St. Armand's and right in the heart of downtown Sarasota. So you won't be disappointed. It's a beautiful area. You got Marina Jack right across the street of Jack's Marina. So there's a lot of great things in the neighborhood, and I highly recommend it. So come on down to P.F. Chang's. I think you'll enjoy it. Alrighty, so we're gonna sign off on this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. If it's your first time to this channel, welcome. And if you're returning, thank you very much. Please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Drop me a line. Give me some ideas for some videos. That'd be awesome. Love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. This is Al signing off from downtown Sarasota at P.F. Chang's. Take care of yourself, folks. Bye-bye.